everyone, Tommy from Tech Nexus, and thanks for joining me on today's video. This is, I think, going to be short and sweet again this week. It was something that came up on the forums just recently about showing installation in Navisworks. And if you've been a big plant user over the years and using Navisworks, it always had an issue displaying the installation in Navisworks, right even up to last year's plant version. I'm happy to be proven wrong. I didn't work much with installation previously. Even now we're looking at it, but we're on the projects we're doing now, we're on 2021, so we are going to see these results. But if you are working with installation, so they did some updates in 2021 with displaying it. So we've got this kind of I don't know, half transparent kind of installation shown on the pipe. If I go to the properties here, you can see that I've just got it as 50 mil. If we change it here, I don't know, let's go to something bigger like 100, you can see we do have that installation shown there. So no problems there. If you can't see it on your model and you are modeling it, just make sure that you have it turned on under this visibility state here. Now, the reason I just wanted to double check this, because there was a question on the forums as well, is this, is the installation going to be displayed in Navisworks? So I have loaded up here in Navisworks, and you can see that we do actually get it. So I think for people who are having issues with installation in anything previous, excuse me, to 2021, if you do an upgrade, I would say that you're going to be, I guess, probably a little bit happier to see that the installation is showing. So I'm just going to save this one just to show you. So this is the model I'd literally just loaded before, so I'm just going to refresh that, and you can see we do have that bigger size in there. All of this faceting I'm not really too fussed about in for my own models at this point in time, but I think from memory it was under one of these DWG options. I think it was something up here to do with one of those, but maybe that's something we can have a look in future. But you can see for now that we can show the installation on pipe inside Plant3D, and I'm just going to check and see if we can maybe even measure off that, see if we can come off it. So if I try and measure off that face to that face, yeah, okay, there you go. So it does. That doesn't look, the dimension doesn't look right, because I've got 50 mil, or what did I change it to? I made that 100 mil insulation. So we can measure from the outside of the insulation to the face of that pipe. I guess if you can find the facets, then you can come back and measure up against them. You can see they're pretty much spot on for the 100 mil insulation. So for anyone out there watching, if you are looking to show installation, then maybe upgrade to 2021, and then that way Plant3D and Navisworks can see the installation on there. So again, sorry that it's a bit short and sweet, but it was just something I wanted to cover quickly and to show on the forums as well. But as usual, thanks for watching. Thumbs up if you liked the video, thumbs down if you didn't, but please do subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in about a week or so. We'll do something else. I'll have a look on the forums. If you have any questions you want answered, feel free to post a question here, or grab me on LinkedIn. I'm happy to answer any messages or questions on there as well. But again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. See ya.